This is going to be a short introductory Metta meditation for beginners. And if you're unfamiliar with the concept of Metta or loving kindness, I recommend watching my short video, What is Metta, which I'll link below. Otherwise, let's get started. So you can allow your eyes to close. And right from the beginning, when we work with the heart practices, I like to bring in some gentleness or some friendliness, connect with this intention of loving kindness. So, seeing if you can settle in your body and into the present moment with this tenderness, maybe being a little bit less rigid than normal, a little softer. You might even consider being a little bit lighthearted or playful with it, not taking it quite so seriously. And we'll start with some loving kindness for ourselves. So you can bring to mind kind of an image of yourself. It might be you sitting here right now. It might be an image like a photo you have of yourself when you were younger. You can also use like a felt sense of your body sitting here. And with metta, we're not asking anything outside of ourselves. We're not trying to create something that's not already there. We're connecting with an intention that's already present within all of us. This intention to care for our well-being. It's in there. We're just uncovering it. And with this intention in your mind and heart, you can offer yourself some phrases of loving kindness. Silently in your head, maybe syncing them with the breath, offering, may I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at ease. Collecting your attention onto these phrases in your head. May I be happy. May I be healthy. May I be safe. May I be at ease. You can let go of this image of yourself in your head. And we'll just work with one other person. So you can bring to mind maybe a loved one, a family member, a friend. Could be a pet or an animal. And recognizing that, like you, this person is a three-dimensional person. They have hopes and dreams and fears and sorrows. There are people who they love and people who love them. They have moments of peace and ease and moments of difficulty and suffering. Recognizing this common humanity and connecting with your intention to care for their well-being, you can offer them some phrases of loving kindness. May you be happy. May you be healthy. May you be safe. May you be at ease. Hi, I'm Matthew. I want to invite you to our Introduction to Mindfulness mini course. It's free, it's a week long, and it contains talks and meditation practices to help you understand exactly what mindfulness is and how you can get started on your path. To learn more and sign up, you can click the link right here.